Hey friends, if you wish to change copy name extension for files and folders on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version and Explorer. Now we will create a key under it which is naming templates. So right click on Explorer, select right click on Explorer, select new key and name it naming templates. In the right pane, we will create a string value named copy name template. Right click new key, sorry, I'll delete it. Right click new string value copy name templates. Now double click on it. We can enter the string value here. To remove copy name extensions, the command will be, the value will be %s, %s, okay. And if you wish to specify an extension, let's say that the extension is JPG, then make it %s space hyphen space the name of the extension, that is, let's say JPG, and click on OK. And then you obviously need to restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.